Hello, this is a tutorial that will demonstrate how to register a Digi Gateway with the iDigi service. This involves two parts. The first part is going to involve going into the gateway and configuring it to talk to iDigi. And then the second part is going to be going into iDigi and then registering the gateway there. And then once we've demonstrated those two things, the device will appear and that will conclude the demonstration. So the first part, as I said, is we're going to go into the Digi Gateway. In this case it's a Connect Port X2, and what I've done is open up a web browser here and I've put in the IP address of the gateway, and that will put me on the home page of it. So from this home page I'm going to go down into the remote management section. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to check the enable remote management and configuration using a client initiated connection, and then I'm going to enter the name of the server for iDigi. In this case it happened to be the default, which is sd1-na.idigi.com. Your servers may be different, but typically this is the default one. So once I've entered that, I'm going to scroll down, click apply. So now we have the iDigi, or the gateway is configured. Now we go into iDigi to set up, to configure it there. So actually I'll go back here. What I've done here is I've gone to the Digi website, and I go and I click on the iDigi Solutions tab, and that takes us to the iDigi page, and then from there I go over to the iDigi platform login, and that's to log into iDigi. So I click that, and that takes me to the login page for iDigi. If you're doing this for the first time, you'll need to register an account, so you click on the "Are you a new user?" That takes you to the registration page. You'll enter the appropriate information and finish the registration process. Once you've done that, it will put you back at the login screen. So now that you have your login information, you will log in. And here I've logged in, and I want to take a look at our devices here. And it appears our device is actually already registered, so just what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of it here just for the sake of demonstration. So I go in, and the device is not registered. We're now going to register it. So I go into the plus little icon right here, and I'm going to add a device, and it's going to automatically go across to your network and try to discover the device. So we'll give it some time here. So it's done, and we're going to look for that X2 here, and here it is. So you click your device, and then I gotta scroll down, click OK, and then as you can see, the device has been successfully added.